set things up. Mhm. Eds, can you try in my channel if you can hear me and see things right? Ah, link. Where do I get it? Share. Here. Copy. Try daw. Hmm? Is it on? Na? Wala pa. Nay? Nawala na siya. Screen settings. Mhm. I cannot hear Auntie. It's live, Auntie. But I'm not sure. are hearing me well, kadong muna ako, can you comment that we can know that we are live? Hello. Kasi nag-view ka ron. Can you comment so that I would know if there are people? Please. Thank you. There are, yeah, there are 3 watching. So I'm live already. Please. Thank you. Ah, it's here. Yeah, it's already here. Okay. Thank you very much, whoever is watching. Sige lang daw karon. Thank you for watching. My name is JP, John Paul. Yeah. This is the first time, so please bear with me. We are trying to get more people to watch us. I just want to share this first on Facebook. Okay. Hello. Today we will be talking about math with PMDAS. If you know of anyone who would need this or would makabaloan it, just tell them that we're live. You can ask me questions. You can chat, live chat to ask me questions while we're doing the lesson. Yeah. I'll share this first on Facebook. Post. Can you hear me? Anyone? Hello to the 3 viewers right now. Let's just wait for a few more people to come in. Can you hear me? Can you chat in a live chat if you can hear me well? Eds, can you hear me? Can you check? to the 3 viewers so far. Let's just wait for some other people to join. If you know of other people who'd like to join us, just tell them. Tell them that we're here. Oh, hello? Test, hello? 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 Tell them that we're here. It's hello? Tadi sa laptop. Test, hello? 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 Tell them that we're here. It's hello? Tadi sa laptop. Thank you very much for the 4 Test, hello? Right now. Hello? If you can't hear me, just tell me please. Mahina. Hi Miss Joy. Mahina. Thank you Miss. Mahina. San ko ba ito i-increase ang volume? Microphone. Okay na, Miss Joy. Masaya pa kita. Okay na po. Can you hear me well? Thank you very much for the 5 are viewing right now. This is the first time that I'm doing this, so as I mentioned in the first post, it may not be so smooth. But yeah. Calculator is ready. Okay na daw. Okay. Thank you so much. Just please comment if dili madungog, if kaunsa man. Hello, thank you very much to the 7 people viewing right now. Again, if you know of someone who will find this useful, please tell them to share the link. Yes. And kata siya. You can ask me questions by the live chat, or if you're friends in Facebook, just send me your questions. Okay. Again, we'll be talking about PMDAS. I believe this is elementary math, grade 5, I think. And then I've got this module from an elementary school, there is Dumaguete. It says Math 5. So I guess this is for grade 5 students. So if you want to learn about PMDAS, if you know of people who wants to learn about this, want to refresh what they know, don't hesitate to join and tell me. Okay? Yes. If you want me to greet somebody, just comment. Let's chat the comment section. And by the way, if you have topics that you want me to discuss for the coming weeks, just communicate with me sa Facebook. Yeah, my name is John Paul Noel Oiram. You can send me your module and we can talk about it. Okay? Ting, 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 ting. Let's just wait for a bit. Okay, can just gain a bit, a few more viewers. We have 5 right now, so we're running from 5 to 7. If we could have more, it will start. 3:15. Just wait for some people to come in. I hope that's fine. Thanks very much to those who are viewing right now. This is so awkward. Share, please share, share, copy, close, copy. I'm trying to invite more people to come. Okay. Hello once again. Thank you very much for viewing. Um, we'll be talking about PMDAS, that's parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. It's mathematical operations. If you know of some who may find this useful, please tell them about the live stream right now, so you can ask me questions right here, right now. And yeah, tell them about that. And anything, comment about the video, the positioning of these things here, also the audio, the pacing. Since this is my first time, so your feedback would be great. One more minute and we'll start the lesson. Okay. Thank you very much to the 6 viewers right now. Yan. Again, we'll be talking about math, elementary math. I believe this is for grade 5. Yan. PMDAS, the one you can see on your screen right now. How to correctly do the mathematical operations. I have my paper here. Hope it will be clear. And if you have questions, just don't hesitate to chat. And yeah, to tell me. No. Okay, let's start. It's 3:15 already. I think I can publish lang man this video. In case some others would like to still view this afterwards. I hope so. If not, we can just do it all over again. Again, this is my first time doing this, so thank you very much to the 7 viewers right now. I hope more will be coming. My name is John Paul Oira. You can call me JP. I I was a teacher before. I'm an engineering graduate. I was a teacher before in engineering. I also took units in teacher education. I passed the board for math last year. And yeah, I'd like to share some knowledge to supplement what your teachers have discussed to you. Uh, that's why I'm doing this. If you have topics that you want me to discuss, modules that you want me to clarify, particularly for math and English, in other subjects maybe we can try that. But I want to concentrate on those two major subjects, math and English. You can submit them to me so that I can review them, and perhaps next Friday I will be selecting the topic that you would want me to discuss. Right. Okay. So first, right now is elementary math. I believe it's for grade 5. If not, then but I think this is really for elementary. I got it from a friend who was a nephew in elementary school. So if you have something like this, you can actually give it to me so that I can discuss it in our next activity or our next live stream. Okay? Yeah, and if you have hi to my cousin Janelle watching right now. Also, our manager, Miss Joy, thank you very much. Those two are just commented. And to the rest of the 7 viewers, thank you so much. If there are technical problems that you are experiencing, if you can't hear me, you can't see me, just comment, chat, live chat below para makabalo ko, no? And of course, for the lesson, please ask questions. Okay? Okay, let us start. Let us start. Our lesson is Math 5. Hi, Henna! Henna actually influenced me to do this YouTube thing. Well, apart from, you can follow her, Henna Jane CE. In YouTube also, she has a lot of cool videos. And she influenced me to do some things like this, but I was not sure what to do. But I'm thinking nice to help out in this kind of thing. No? So, lesson is to perform a series of more than 2 operations. So, 2 operations, more than 2. On whole numbers applying parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, or the PMDAS correctly. So if you have a lot of operations happening in a particular mathematical sentence, saan siya pag correct na buhaton, no? Thank you, Henna. Saan pag correctly kanang operate ani mathematically. Okay. So, yahang acronym is PMDAS. It's a mnemonic device that can help us remember the order of operations which we already know. Stands for P parenthesis, so and then multiplication. So unahon to na parenthesis, then multiplication, then division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? So muna tong timan-an, PMDAS. PMDAS. I-PM nyo si DAS. PMDAS. Alright. And I guess if you go further with the levels of math, it's PEMDAS. I believe so. Naim sulod before multiplication, that's exponent. But for elementary, let's just concentrate on PMDAS. Again, parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Mauni siya ang pasunod, sequence sa pag-manipulate o pag-operate nato sa mga kanang how to manipulate the mathematical sentence. No. So in any numerical expression that has more than one operation, kung musulti tag more than one operation, ang operation 2 or more, no, naatay plus, naay minus, divide, o naapoy multiply. So pwede sila tanan or duwa lang nila. So kung usa lang 1 plus 1 diretso ra ta ana. Pero kung daghan na sila unsa atong unahon, muna siya atong gamiton ang PMDAS, no? Perform the operation, ang una is perform the operation inside the parenthesis first. So unahon nato ang nasa parenthesis. Katong in-ani mo siya parenthesis, no? Kanang nakaana. That's your parenthesis. Then, pag uman sa parenthesis, magitagay mo ana parenthesis, next would be perform the multiplication. Okay? Multiplication and multiply. Multiply sunod. Una parenthesis, so we first used parenthesis. That's parenthesis. And then, multiply. Okay? And then, divide or division. Yan, from left to right. And then, lastly, we perform addition and subtraction. Addition. And subtraction. Okay, so we do those things. Okay, now let's have an example kaning naadari karon, kaning atong padak-an, no? Ayan. So, kung itong unang example, natin parenthesis, then 4 plus 2 times 5 divided by 7 plus 3. So, kung sa itong unahon na nila. No. So, first, what will we use first? What will we do first? Give me a moment. Cannot do that. Okay. Give me a moment first. Let's just try to arrange these things. Okay. And if you have comments and questions, don't hesitate please to ask. It's your chance to ask me things so that I can. Yan. So that's our example. So what do we do first? We have that mathematical sentence na taas kaayo, no? Unsa tong unahon ana nila. So solve the operations inside the parenthesis. So unsa may nasa parenthesis? No. Unsa may nasa una ana. So this is our example. 4 plus 2 times 5 divided by 7 plus 3. So it's mentioned here, solve the operations inside the parenthesis. Solve the operations inside the parenthesis. That's what is being mentioned here. So kani una ta diri kani sila atong unahon ni kaning 4 plus 2 times 5. Pero duwa na pud kabuk na plus ug na times. So sa itong unahon. So atong gi-mention ganiha, unahon nato ang multiplication or division kung unsay naa nila. So ang naa nato diri is multiplication. So unahon nato ang na times. No. So multiply, gusto diri multiply 2 times 2 and 5 first. So kaning duwa 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10. Ana. Ato ibalik atong parenthesis dali. And then, ato sa i-bring down ang 4 equals. Yan. Ato sa i-bring down ang uban, 1 at a time ratang, plus 3. Okay. So, nataan na. Naka-multiply na to sa 5 o sa 2, which is 10, this one. And then, we go back to the unsa pa'y naa sa parenthesis kaya wala pa nahuman na to ang parenthesis. Right? So, kanina na sa parenthesis, 4 o ang 10. So, 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. So, you bring this down. 14. And then, ito i-copy again ang divided by 7 plus 3. Okay? And then, asa na po na itong unahon nila? Kaning division or ang addition. Again, we go back to the order. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction. So, ang nana to diri is division o addition. So, nauna ang division kaysa sa addition. So, we first do division and then addition. Yes. So, for that one, unahon nato ni kaning duwa. Yeah. So, 14 divided by 7 is 2 plus 3. And then, duwa na lang ato ang operations. No? And the answer would be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's check if it's correct from our module here. Yeah, it's correct. It's 5. So, inato lang. Inato ka-simple ang pag PMDAS nato, no? If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Ayaw kaulaw o ask na ko, please. But that's the basic one for PMDAS, no? I'm sorry if you keep on looking at this side. I'm checking out the comments and unsa pa akong pwedeng makita dari. Yeah, if you have questions, please just ask out. Okay, don't be shy. Now, let's move forward with another example. Okay, again, if you have questions or comments, suggestions, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, thank you so much for the current 8 viewers. Yeah, 8 viewers. Thank you. Ayan. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, now let's move forward sa ato ang next na example kanina po. Itong padakan ha. Makita na tong tanan. So, sa itong unahon. Oops, yan. That's big enough. Okay. Now, we have this example na po. Okay. Yan. We have this example. 400 divided by 2 times 5. Oops, sorry. So, yan. 400. Maklaro akong agi. Hopefully, no? 400 divided by 2 times 5 minus 120 plus 5. Ayan, taas na sad kaayo. What will we do first? Again, we go back to our operations. Our order is PMDAS. Kanayo kalimti ni PMDAS, Rajud. PMDAS, no? Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction from left to right. Kung sa'y nauna nila from left to right. Okay? So, kato. Don't forget that. So, kani, sa itong unahon, dagan kayo. Walay parenthesis. Yehe, at least, dili na kayo makalibog kay walay parenthesis. Now, ito, nawala akong kwan. Yeah. Walay parenthesis, so, atong unahon, either division or multiplication. Kung unsa ang nauna nila from left to right. No, unsay una. So, natay division kani natay duwa division og multiplication, divide or times. Sa itong unahon. Now, which will we do first? We'll do whichever operation is comes first from left to right. Now from left to right. So it's division, this one. So let's do this first. Okay? Nay nag-clap-clap. Hoy, Joanne! Hi, Jo! I have a friend also here. She's already in UK. Thanks for watching. And yeah, thanks for supporting. She's my co-teacher before in engineering. In one of the colleges here in Dumaguete. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Kana. Thanks for the comments. If na mo yung question, sayon pa man po niya, no? Kung na yung mga question yung mga anak, or yung mga, sips, or mga nephew, please ask. So, nata diri. So, sa itong unahon, kaning 2 or kaning 5, divided by 2 or times 5. Again, unahon na to ang nauna sa from left to right. And ang nauna from left to right is ang divide by 2. So, as mentioned also here in the module, divide 400 by 2. We are correct. Divide 400 by 2. So, kaniya itong inaogamay. Yan. 400 divided by 2 is 200. Very good. And we just bring down, put sa uban, kay para mag step by step lang ta. Times 5 minus 120 plus 5. Correct. And then, kung saan pa ito unahon diri, left to right na sad ta. Multiplication or division na itong unahon. Now, ang nabili na ito is multiplication na lang, which is times 5. So, kani, dirita. Kani atong next na buhaton, no? So, multiply 200 by 5. Let's check out the module if it's correct. Tiring. Good, it's correct. It's 200 by 5. Multiply 200 by 5. Wait lang. Ayan. So, we multiply 200 by 5 and that is 1,000. 200 times 5 is 1,000. Okay. Ato sa i-bring down, para dito maglipog, minus 120 plus 5. Kung saan na po ito unahon, ani? Ang minus or ang 5? No. I mean, ang minus or ang pag-add. Now, there's not much of difference doing this, but para lang systematic ta, unahon na ito ang from left to right. Okay? Now, ang una sa left is ang minus. So, ito unang minus. Minus 120. So, 1,000 minus 120 is, so let's check if it's correct from the module. It's subtract 120 from 1,000. We are correct. No. So, 1,000 minus 120, that is, wala nilabot, erasure ni siya. Pasensya na. 1,000 minus 120 is 880. Ayan. And we'll bring down 5. And lastly, lagamay, o sala lang bang nahibilin, after all these steps, 880 plus 5 is 885. Yan. So from this very long mathematical sentence, nabot na juta, 885. And that is actually the answer here in our module. Na, sakto na. So, if na may pangutana, please don't hesitate to ask via our comment section, or if naamoy konong your friends in Facebook, please message me. Okay. Yeah, wala pa ni message. Okay lang. But thank you very much for the 9 viewers right now. And for a first time, that's actually good. Salamat kayo guys sa support. But it's not for me actually. This is for the students who wants to have a supplement lesson Okay, please tell them. You can share naman this video. Just go back to my channel and learn further. Okay, let's go down. Natin na yung example na po na may parenthesis, taka na sa parenthesis ni, ang sarap ito unahon na ni. What will we do first? Next example is this one. Okay. Taas-taas na siya na example. Okay, this one. So we copy first para ito maglibong. That's 18 divided by 6 times 5 parenthesis minus 14 divided by 7. So what do we do first? It's very long. Ano itong unahon? Again, we go back to the concept of PMDAS, which is parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and then subtraction from left to right. No. Yes. Okay. So, kung sa may naa sa parenthesis nila, ang naa sa parenthesis is kani. 18 divided by 6 times 5. Kana itong unahon. Pero duwa na pud ka buok, no? Divided by 6 times 5. So, unsa mong unahon? Again, we do first what is from the left to right. So, ang nauna nato is ang divided by 6. So, 18 divided by 6. But let's verify first from the module. Okay? Correct! It's 18 divided by 6. For correct, guys. I'm talking to myself. If na mo comment, please comment. No? It's weird talking to myself. Right. So first atong buhaton is 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. Oops, sorry. 18 divided by 6 is, let's check it out. Is 3. Is 3. Yan, 3. Klaro na. Klaro na na. Tayo, natin bring down ang times 5. Let's just bring down the rest of the numbers so that we won't get confused. Yan. So, saan na po sunod? Napangon tayo parenthesis. So, let's do the parenthesis again. 3 times 5. No, 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Sakto ba? Take out sa calculator. Ano ko yung calculator? Dahil akong kinuha sa mong tindahan. On. Nag-sabotage ko sa calculator. Dili mo on. That's, okay, on na siya. Okay, you can't see it. Oops. Ala, low bat. Alright, that's 3 times 5. My calculator won't work, so let's rely on our mental skills. 3 times 5 is 15. We bring down minus 14 and divided by 7. Let's try to check if it's correct. It's 15. Yay! Sakto dahil ko. It's 15. Now, asa na sad ani atong unahon? Tulo ka buok. Duwa na pud ka operation minus or divide. Again, with our PMDAS na unsa ni na mnemonic or atong acronym PMDAS, parenthesis, multiplication, PMDAS dahil. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, nauna ang division kaysa sa subtraction. So, ito i-divide. Kani ito i-divide. No. So, let's check it out sa module if we are correct. Kung asa unahon? Yes, correct. Divide 14 by 7. Yan. So, 14 divided by 7 is 2. We bring down the minus and the 15. Let's check it out if it's correct. Yan. Yeah, that's correct. It's 2. Then we are here, 15 minus 2. And since wala lang ka numbers, o sa lang ka operation, we just do it. Perform the indicated operation, which is 15 minus 2 is equal to 13, and that is our answer here sa ato muna yung use atong calculator today pang weight 13. Oops, here you go, that's correct. So that's how you do it. That's PMDAS. Again, we are talking about PMDAS, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for viewing today's talk lesson. Di patanaw man, pwede pa maapas ang uban. Again, we're talking about PMDAS. Yan. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? If you know of someone who may find this useful, please tell them that we are live right now so that he can ask questions while I'm talking right now. Or I guess I can upload this video after. I'm not sure. I hope I can. You can go back to this link in the future when you need to. Okay. Yan. Let me check first, okay? Madali lang. Ayan, hi! Hi, Rachel! Thank you very much for viewing. Ayan, thank you sa nag-survive na 7 viewers. Whoever you are, salamat kayo. Tapos nasa atong time, no? Let's check first more sa ato ang kuan. PMDAS na karon, okay? Kung namoy questions about anim, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, note, again, this is how you do it. We work from left to right when there are only addition and subtraction. We also work from left to right when there are only multiplication or division. Unahon jud ang unsa ang nasa left to right. To the left, inana. Okay. Now, okay, this is a review. When solving a mathematical expression that has more than one operation, we follow the PMDAS rule. That is, perform the operation inside the parenthesis first, whichever operation is in the parenthesis. And next is perform multiplication and division operations in order from left to right. No. Kung not necessarily magunat na sa division or magunat na sa multiplication, it now it now depends on whichever comes first from left to right. If nauna ang multiplication from left, then you do the multiplication. Now, if nauna ang division from left, then you do the division. Whichever ang naasa una sa left to right. Okay? And now, and lastly, we perform addition and subtraction operations in order from left to right. That's PMDAS. Okay? Do you have questions, kids? Wala mo question? It's so awkward. I'm talking to myself. Questions, please. Tadadam. Ayan. No questions? I think you got it. If you have friends or children or mga siblings, nephew, niece who may need supplement supplement na mga lessons in math and English, please hand them over to me ang mga modules so that we can discuss it. I can look at it and then I'll select if daghan man unsa akong i-discuss next Friday. No? Gasugod ta karon sa elementary math with this PMDAS. We can move to high school or senior high school. Matagir akong module para swak ang inyong kailangan sa atong i-discuss. No? Kaya basig mag-discuss ko from the internet na dili niyo magamit. So mas nice if it's actually your lesson. Okay? Just give it to me. You can PM me in Facebook. My name is John Paul Noel Oira in Facebook. I'll just place it in the comment section or in the description of this video. Yan, so you can PM me your modules. Let's try na lang one activity. Kaya makagets naman akong mga viewers karon, mga bright man good ni sila. Ako lang basahon ni nag-comment no, kaya salamat kay sa comment no sa atong first live stream supplement lessons. Now, to Miss Joy, shout out to Dan B. Hi Dan B, I hope you're learning a lot, no? You can use it in your life, Dan B. Dan B, ladies and gentlemen, is actually a dog, no? And Dan B is watching. Janelle, thank you very much for watching. Janelle Louise, thank you very much for watching. Also, she's my cousin. Hannah Jane CE. You can follow her on YouTube. She has a lot of cool videos. Also, the one who influenced me to do YouTube. Yeah. And Joanne all the way from the UK. Hello, Jo. How are you, Mrs. Villarin? Nax. Nan. Congratulations, by the way. And to Rachel, thank you for viewing Sitwork. Yan. Si Rachel po, isa sa akong mga seatmates sa una. Tabangan na yung sa math. No, and all of those other subjects. I call her Sitwork. Kana. Whoever pa ang wala na ako na-mention is viewing right now, dakang salamat for viewing. But nonetheless, this is for the kids and who may need this supplement lesson. No, kung na-out mo yung ganahang i-discuss na ako math or English or kasi kaya na akong other subjects, sige lang, ihatag lang. And let's see what we can do. Huh? Okay. Ayan. Wala nila mo comment. Papasa po ko comment B para sa dya. But the 9 viewers right now, thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you so much sa mga nag-view. We're still on, right? I think we're still on. On ba ta? Okay. Yan. We'll just perform one activity. Kaya murag kagets naman mo. Right man mo. And let's get it on. Complete each number sentence. Okay. 18 divided by 3 times 6. So, sa itong unahon, 18 ay divided by 3 or times 6. Now, what PMDAS is telling us is that kung unsa ang una, either sa division or multiplication from the left to right. So, nauna ang 3 divided division before ang 690 comment. Wait lang ha. Masig, kuan. Oops. Si Gian and Jaja is watching. Thank you very much for watching, Gian and Jaja. Thank you, Danby. Yan, si Danby na daw nag-comment. Ang galing naman ni Danby. Thank you very much, Danby. Yan. Okay. Let's do this. Last na koan atong activity. No? Okay, wala may nag-question, so I guess you understand. Okay, so what do we do first? Divide or multiply? It will be division. Okay, nauna man siya sa left to right. So, we, according also to the modules, very nicely done. Divide 18 by 3. So, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Yan is 6. This 1. And we are left with one operation. 6 times 6 is 36. You know that song? Okay, it's 36. Okay, let's do another one. Yan. 29 minus 12 plus 5. So, to put it simply, you just follow left to right rule para di maglibog, no? But you can actually do it to reverse. But yeah, left to right lang sa takaron. Subtract 29, subtract 12 from 29. So 29 minus 12 is, wala answer. Ato ansiran. Okay, let's answer it. Wala din siya answer. 29 minus 12 plus 5. So what do we do first? from left to right. So una ang minus 12. So 29 minus 12. Let's use the calculator. Which dili siya mo work. 29 minus 12. 17. No, 17. Okay. Plus 5. Bring down the 5. Okay. So, duwa na lang. Duwa na lang ka numbers. One operation. 17 plus 5 is 22. Sakto ba? It's correct. It's 22. Ayan. So, we're correct. Ayan. Wala answer ni. Wala siya answer. Nandito ang chart guys ha. Next! Let's just finish the activity para sa siya. Thank you very much, 8 viewers still here supporting. Okay, next would be 31 plus 24 minus 3 times 4. Ayan, we have 1, 2, 3 operations. What do we do first? PMDAS. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Wala tayo parenthesis, naatay multiplication. This one. So we multiply 3 times 4 first. Let's double check with our module. It's correct. Multiply 3 times 4. Multiply 3 by 4. So let's copy muna. 31 plus 24 minus the answer of this. 3 times 4 is 12. Yan. And then 2 operations na lang from left to right nata. 31 plus 24. 31 plus 24 is 55. Let's double check. No, in engineering, we actually use a lot of calculator, even if it's just 1 plus 1. Sa makarelate, engineers, asa mo? Nag-about siya akong calculator, guys. So, kaya na siya. 55. 31 plus 24. Might as well use it as weight. 55. Yan. Minus 12. So, usahan na lang itong operation. So, it will be easier for us. Ayan. Yan. 55 minus 12 is 43. Sorry, ako hindi sa kamay kaayo. 43. And that is the answer. Sakto ba ang 43? No? Sa magtututag sa yoke niya ba? Tuloy na sure. Kami calculator na. It's correct, it's 43. So the concept here is not using the calculator, but it's PMDAS. Okay guys, please do not forget to use PMDAS. Okay, do not forget PMDAS rule. That is our lesson for today. Ayan, there's so many activities here in this kind of module, but we won't go to them every step by step, everything. So you already know how to do it. But this is what you need to remember. Okay? PMDAS. Parenthesis, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. If you get this kind of mathematical sentence or numerical expression that has a lot of operations in one expression, just use this mnemonic device or this acronym PMDAS. First with the parenthesis, then multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, please do not forget that. Alright? Do I have questions? I think I don't have questions. Oh, questions. Ayan. I think you got it. That's the concept of PMDAS. And that's it for today. Since I think we have explained it well. Feeler. If you have lessons that you want me to discuss here in Facebook Live, just give them to me ahead of time so that I can select which lesson to tackle, which lesson you want me to give supplement of. Kanang lesson nyo sa school na naglibog mo, no, pwede ninyo na ihatag na ako. And let's discuss it live here in YouTube so that others can also see and yeah, learn from as well. English or math or any other subject. Let's try that. Okay, send them to me so that we can discuss them on Friday. Okay, don't hesitate to give me those things. You can comment below for the topics, and or you can message me on Facebook. My name is John Paul Noel Oira. Very easy to remember. Okay, and I guess that's it. Thank you so much for being here this afternoon. Have a great afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to take this opportunity as well to say our gratitude to our teachers. No, it's their first time doing such a very different and unique kind of teaching process, online, and then there's modular, and then there's blended, and there's just so many things that's happening, creating the module, all those stuff. So kudos to them, and please be patient with them. They may get it wrong or not super smooth, but they did their best, and yeah, dili sa yon, no. So have patience with each other, and to all the teachers po, don't give too much too much things for them to do, no, too many subjects. Don't give them so many things to do. Hinihinera, they will learn. Okay, so thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much to Edlin also for helping me setting this up. If you just can't see what's happening over here, ang gulo. Thank you very much also to Atelier Lumikha, ayan, for allowing me to use the space here. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Bye bye. Salamat. Salamat. I'll end